Everyone able to see my screen? So
Yeah,
last
I can
week,
see.
last week what we did, just we can create the script, and that script just we are recorded, and in the part of the next session, like we can see the controller. Okay, this kind of demo only, like end-to-end testing I told, right? So already we done the scripting. That script we are recorded, and after that recorded script we can push into the controller. But one thing we need to open the script also. I will show the script for you guys first. Okay. Okay. So now, so what are the scripts you are recorded, and everything will be there in the views, and it will be there. Okay. So here scripts. So last week which script we done? See 19th only we did, right? So you need to open this. Just open this. So this is the VUSN. We are opening from the script in the VUSN.
Yeah.
So I'm opening virtual user generator.
We have also the cloud version of virtual user generator, that also no different than this enterprise version, right, Sriram sir?
Yes, yes, there is no difference. You are asking about LRE?
LRE
Yeah.
is,
Yes, it is also same as this. But in LRE, it is like we can call it as a performance center. So there we can do from the execution. But here we can do it from the control. That is the
okay.
difference. Everything will be same. Scripting will be we
Yeah.
can do from the user only.
Yes, I saw like all the look and feel, everything is looks good. File, edit, view, search, design, record, replay, tools, integration window.
Yeah. So now, like last week we recorded, right, this script. So
Yes, very slow for loading.
yeah.
Yeah, so I'll create it later. So I'm
So based on from the our like RAM configuration is good, it will be like open very soon. Yeah, now it is open, right? You can observe. So last week we are recorded, and what are the steps also it is recorded, we are observed, right? So again, if you want to miss, we can observe again. First, we'll see the browser. What are the things we did and everything is recorded or not, we need to check first thing. So when you are recording the script, first thing is important thing is you should be understand the business flow. Like what are the steps I want to record? Why? Because so while recording the script, okay, no, I enter wrong name, I enter wrong thing, or otherwise, okay, actually I want to click from this button, but I clicked this button. Oh, I will go back. So these kind of things is not happen while recording the script. So that is why what happen means you should be first understand the application. Okay, I want to record these steps. So first you can before recording you understanding the in business flow in the UI part. So like you can open from the browser and you can understand the business flow. Okay. So after that, I am good for the business flow. Everything is good. Then you can come to the our Vusion and record from the using from the our Vusion tool. Okay. Okay. So now we'll see the application. That is the store application. Okay. This is the launch. So means what we are doing first, we are doing from the launch, and after that, this is the username password we are entering. Okay.
Yeah.
And click from the login. And after that, what is our next step means actually for this application, our aim should be what? We need to book the any one of the pet. So I am clicking from the fish and select from the any one of the product. In that, these all will be available products. So here, which product you want, you can select that and you can add to cart you can do. And in that, how many quantity, like it is you want 1 kg or 2 kg like that, same one pet or 2 pet or so you need to give from the quantity. And after that, click on the proceed to checkout. And after that, it is asking from the payment details and billing address. You want to deliver this pet to the your address, we need to pay the bill, and after that you need to give from the your address details. So we are giving from the this all details. Like if you want to miss, you can change it also, we can do it here. Okay. Okay, we can change it, and after that we can click on continue button. Then it is asking that confirmation detail. Before submitting to that, confirm the details. You should be confirm. Okay, these address details and payment details, everything is fine. Then click from the confirm button. See here, thank you. Your order been submitted. Means our order will be submitted. So this is the my job from up to that, and after that I want to sign out. So these steps only we are recorded for this script. Now we can observe in our script. Okay. So first will be, it is a web URL function. It is happen. This is the our launch URL. Okay. And after launch, what we done? See what we did. Username password means what is that transaction?
Eager input.
Login. Login
Yes.
details. Transaction names are very important for us. Login. This is the login section. You can observe here when you are click like application, like click means you can just like this, you can click. It is generating from the which function it is generating. It is a web URL function is generating. Means if you click any button or anything, it is generated from the web URL function. But after that, you can observe if you click from the sign in button, here it is asking from the username and password. You are giving from the username and password means you are submitting to data to the application. That is why which function it is generated means web submit data it is generated. So you are submitting data means you are entering some anything data, then it is generated as a web submit data. Otherwise, you are clicking any button like it is generated from the which function? web URL function, it is generated. And after that, you can observe again, we are login successfully. After that, I click from the which button? Fish button. So you are click the fish button. So which function it will generate it?
Fish function when we're selecting the product.
Yeah, we are not selecting. We are clicking the button. See, you can observe
I'm
also
clicking.
in web page also you can
Clicking.
compare. See, login is done. Okay, login done. After that, I'm clicking or I'm giving from the like submitting to the application. We are clicking
Okay.
button. This is all buttons, right? Just you are clicking. So that is why which function it is generated. You can observe web URL function it is generated. Means one thing is a very important. So here code is based on from the if you click any button, anything clicks means it is generated from the web URL function. You are submitting data to the application, it is generating from the web submit data. And after that also you can observe. So now it is the step is completed. Now what will happen? Web URL. This is the what we are selecting from the product ID. This is also we are clicking from the product ID you are selecting. So that is why it is generated as a web URL function. And after that, next what you are doing, you are clicking from the add to cart. So that is why it is generated web URL function. And after that, what you are doing, you are clicking the proceed to checkout button. See, proceed to checkout button. So that is why each function it is generated web URL function here. And after that, now we can observe here again, web submit data is kept. Why? This data we are submitting to the application means you are entering from the application some details to the application. So that is why web submit data it is generated. We can observe also card type, credit card, expiry date, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, bill state, and zip country. So all details it is we are entered. That is why it is a web submit data it is generated. So again, next we can observe why this is very big. Okay. So now we can observe next will be we are confirming the details. So that is why which function you are confirming details by clicking the details as a confirm button. So that is why which function it is generated web URL function it is generated. And after that you can observe final will be you are confirmed means you are done. Final will be we did from the sign out. You are sign out also button you are clicking. So web URL function is generated. Now it's clear, right, for you? Like what is happening when you are clicking to the application, it is generating as a web URL function. When you are submitting to the application, it is generating as a web submit data. So now what we can do is just we can execute. This is the replay button, nothing but you want to this script we are executing from the here like one time you do like we can't execute from the multiple times here, just 1 or 2, 10 up to 50 like that we can do it here. But if you want more than then where we can do means we can do in the controller only. See now your script will be pass. But you can observe here, these all will be transaction details. You are able to see the launch, how much time is taken, login, how much time taken, you are able to see. No, right? Actually, our major job will be, that is our major job. You can observe, everything is the action, how much time it is happening, it is showing. Action nothing but, so just to our script, this entire script, how much time it is happening, it will show. Okay, but it is not show from the okay. So now what we can do means you can observe. So actually our job should be these transactions. I will open Notepad. See, our major thing will be what is that transactions launch URL, and after that login, and after that third is the after login what if you are adding, click on pet, and next what we did, what you did, selecting the product, right? Select product, and after select product what we can do, we need to click from the add to cart button, add to cart, and next step what we are doing, you need to add to cart and you need to like proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout, and after that next what is the next step, payment details, payment and payment. Okay, next step will be after payment what we can do, we should be confirm, and the ninth step what, sign out. So these steps, right? Okay, so these steps client is given from the SLA, nothing but service level agreement, 2 seconds. You are done the scripting. So after execution is completed, anywhere you are seeing from that, anywhere you are seeing, anywhere you are seeing, after results I'm asking about in the output window. Okay, if you want output means this is the output window. Anywhere we can see that results are anywhere, we are not seeing. Why? Because we are not given anywhere from these transaction names. If you not given this transaction name, the script is invalid, because launch is a within 2 seconds happening or not, login is a within 2 seconds happening, payment confirm, everything is a 2 seconds happening or not. How we can confirm? If you not given transaction names in the script, how we can confirm? So that is why transaction names should be transaction names should be very important for us. Okay, transaction names are very important for us. So that is why what we can do means, if you want to give means manual also will give. Okay, so otherwise we can give in the script also we can give. For example, you know that this transaction belongs to which transaction, launch or login? Which transaction? Hello. Hello. Vikram, are you there? Prasad and Vikram. Prasad, Vikram. Hello.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, this is the which transaction code? It is the launch or login. It's launch, right? Because after this is the submitting data means you're submitting from the login details. So this is the transaction launch. So if you are confusing, okay, we'll give from the here we are confusing means what we can do means when you are recording the script also we can give. So just I will show that also. See, for example, if you click record button, this is the just which browser you are using, and this is the URL of the your application. Click on the start record button. So now we'll see the with the transactions also, because with the transactions only it is important. If you not given transaction, your script will be invalid because you are unable to see the each and every transaction response time once execution is completed in your script. So now we can observe it is launching our application. So here one window will open, right? You can observe here. This is the insert start transaction. Like which transaction you are doing now? Launch, right? You can give from the here launch, LAUNCH, launch URL, and click OK button. So you should be launch is completed. You should be end the end transaction also, because you want to calculate from the response time means, okay, you want to capture the response time means you need to give from the start and end. See, launch is completed or not. So you should be end the transaction. You can observe also. If you just click here, insert end transaction. Just you can click, and which transaction you are instead like ending launch. And again, which transaction you are doing? Login, right? So we need to give from the again start transaction and login, and click on OK. And after that, you should perform from the login details, enter and click from the login button. See, login is completed and you should be end the transaction. Again, login you should be end. Click from this and end. And again, what is the transaction you are performing? Click on the pet. You can give from the same, click on pet. Click on pet. Now you can click from the any one of the pet. And after that, so transaction is completed, you should be end. And again, you are starting the transaction, you are selecting the product ID. Same thing you can give from the select product ID or product. Select product. Click on OK. And you can select from the any one of the product. And select product also is completed. Next, what is that? Add to cart. You can give from the start transaction name is the add to cart, and click from the add to cart. And next you should be add to cart. Okay, you can close, and again what you are doing, proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout. Again started, proceed, and after the click that proceed to checkout is ended, you can just click from the end button. Again, what you are doing, payment details you are giving, payment and billing address. You can give from the payment and billing. Okay, click this And after that, if you want miss, you can enter all details, and if you want change anything, you can change that. Okay, after that you should be click on continue button. So payment is done. We should be, what we can do, we should be confirm the details. So that is why next transaction should be confirm. Click this, and after that you can click from the confirm button. See, thank you, your order been submitted, and the transaction of the confirm. And next will be start transaction will be sign out. You can give from the sign out and click on OK and click from the sign out button. So, and assumed the while recording the script. So when you are clicking any button, anything, right, you should wait from the until page will be loaded. Then only each and every request will be recorded and sign out is completed and this. Now what happened? Our business, entire business flow is completed. I want to stop the record button. Just click from the stop record button. So just now this code is recording again. With transaction names, we can see now. See, then go to the action. Now we can go here. See, allow start transaction launch. Okay, and you can observe LR end transaction launch means so launch code is here to here launch code, and after that we can observe here login allow start transaction login, and up to after this ended your transaction is login. Again after login, what you did, click on pet. Okay, and pet is ended here, and allow start transaction select product ID started, and after this code it is ended, and after that add to cart is started here and ended, and payment details started here, and sorry, proceed to checkout is started here and ended here, and after that you can observe allow start transaction payment and billing. These are the payment and billing details, and we are confirm the final transaction, confirm started and confirm ended, and after that log out started, log out ended. Now it's clear, right? Transaction also, yes or no?
Yes, yes. Okay.
So now just
This one is Dynatrace. Okay.
no, it's not a Dynatrace, it is a scripting only. Okay. So Dynatrace means you want to give from the Dynatrace tags, we can provide here.
Yeah.
Okay, because it is like
present.
you need to link the from the this script into the Dynatrace means we need to give from the Dynatrace tracks. I will explain that also. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are in section, right? Okay, now. Yeah, now you can observe. So now we'll execute and we'll observe each and every transaction response time. Now we are able to see the results or not, you can observe. See now, if you go here, see launch 1 minute, 4:36 milliseconds happen. So each and every transaction response time now you are seeing or not?
Yes.
So this script is ready. This script we can push into the controller and will execute from the multiple users. Tomorrow class we'll see that. Okay. Any doubts?